Some men search for freedom in riches. Some search for freedom in power. But the greatest freedom lives in a heart that cannot be bought, that cannot be bought. One cannot be broken. Me walk through valley, never fear, just still whispering on me ear. Stormy rage and rivers rise, still me hold me head up high. Silver fade and gold grow, truth is worth much more than gold. What Jah plant inside my soul, no wicked hand can never hold. No chain can bind a peaceful mind. No one can stop love through time. Freedom lives within, stronger than the storm. Freedom lives within, keeping every heart warm. Stand with courage, speak what's true. Jah walk every step with you. Freedom lives within, forever shining bright. Birds no ask who own the sky, still them spread them wings and fly. River no refuse the sea, nature teach true liberty. Plant a seed of hope today, let compassion lead the way. Every smile and every deed, grow the world we truly need. Here right now, the man who forgives sleeps better than the man who carries hate. Freedom begins the moment you let bitterness go. Babylon can shake the ground, still me faith remain profound. Roots grow deeper through the rain, turning sorrow into gain. Every child deserves a chance, every life deserves a dance. Lift your neighbor when them fall, love is still the greatest star. Freedom lives within, no prison can contain. Freedom lives within, flowing through the joy and pain. One love, one heart, freedom never shall depart. Freedom lives within, Jamaica is strong. You only make it strong. Jamaica is strong. Deep raw in dish, vintage alright. Scanning and give on. Then I be done, sawing the road of melody. Now you're being the drum, pulse it like a heartbeat. Bird birds greeting the sunrise. Waves washing gently onto the shore.